Howdy, everybody. Today we've got here's a song that was a rock song. It's a rock hit. Became a bluegrass hit. And then it even went into the country field and became a hit there. So we covered all the bases. Fox on the Run. It's usually popular in the 70s. Still played a lot by bluegrass people. And I have the tab here, which I will show you at the end of this video. I'll show you this tab close up for about 6-7 seconds. So hang in there. I just want to explain a few things. It's in the key of G, regular G tuning, and there are only, there's no pull-offs and no hammer-ons, but there's one type of slide, and I think we've covered it. If you've seen some of my other videos, it's the two, I use the 2 to 3 on the 3rd string, 2nd to 3rd fret. When you slide up to the 3rd fret, you hit the 2nd string open. So you're going from an A note to a B flat to a B. So the B on the 2nd string rings just right on with, almost right on with the B flat. You get a certain effect. Some people slide to the 4th. All the way. I slide to 3rds. It sounds more bluesy. All right, so that's the slide. There it is, right there on the first line. Comes up later again. There are 4 chords in this one. And I use, it starts with the G, or that slide in the G against the G chord. Now we go to what I call the 2-4 D chord, the partial D, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string. Now an A minor, but an A minor, 3-finger A minor for 2nd fret, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, and 2nd fret, 3rd string. Then to a C. So the finger that was on the 3rd string goes over, moves over to the 4th string to get the C. And that's a melody note. On the C, you got the melody note on the 4th string. That's why you go there. Back to an A minor. Open 2nd string, but it goes against a D chord. The only part of a D chord we're going to play on this measure, because you got an open 2nd, which is melody. We're going to fret D, 3rd string, the 2nd fret. Then back to C. So that's it. A G, a partial D, an A minor, a C, back to A minor, and then a partial D, or 1-finger D in this case, back to C, back to G. She walks through the corn leading down to the river. Her hair shone like gold in the hot morning sun. Right. That repeats. You see repeat signs. In the tab, there are repeat signs. It's a double bar with a two dots. And we repeat it because that's the way to sing it. Then we go to the part that goes with the harmonies. Well, something in my throat. So those are the three voices that kind of like a fox, like a fox, like a fox on the run. That goes. Like a fox, like a fox on the run. Yep. I have an optional intro. It's in the bottom line of the tab. And it's a slightly different. Bill Emerson played this first when he was with Cliff Waldron and the New Shades of Grass back in the late 60s. And he had an intro that I don't exactly copy, but it's close. Because I just kind of liked it this way. And it's right at the bottom, like I said, at the tab. And we go all open, like a G, open G, to form a C. That's part of the melody, right? And then back to C. And then you wait 3 beats. I marked that, wait 3 beats, and you start with this, the beginning of the top of the exactly beginning of the tab again. Starts another verse, right? However, there is a third part to it, and I didn't, that's more or less the, I don't know if they call that the chorus or the verse. I guess it's a verse, kind of. But I didn't tab that part out. Let's just stay with this, because if you're in a jam or in a band, you're probably not going to play that whole break with that third part. The fiddle will come in, the mandolin will come in, or maybe back their voice, and he'll sing that part. So I just had that kind of chorus and the 3-part harmony part. Got it? Okay. The tab will be shown. Please scan it and print it. And then, because this video will be on YouTube, you can slow it down, right, and follow the tab. You got the tab in front of you. Slow it down. You hear every note, and you can get it in your mind. A lot of things you learn by having them in your head first. That's why it's so important to listen. Listen to clean playing, clean notes, and get the song right in your head. Get this particular banjo break in your head, so that when you're learning, it'll come quicker. It does. Your mind will help you with your fingers. That's just the way it works. So have fun with it. See you later.